In this video, I will show you how to set up and open a business page on TikTok. Whether you are completely new to TikTok or you are looking to expand your brand presence, this tutorial will help you get started on the right path. First, let us talk about the TikTok interface. TikTok has evolved into a powerful platform that allows businesses to connect with a global audience through short-form video content. It is now one of the most popular platforms available, and almost everyone is using TikTok in some way. Starting with TikTok for Business can help you unlock useful features designed specifically for promoting products, services, and brand storytelling. To get started, go directly to the TikTok for Business page. Once you open it, you can begin by downloading the application or continuing directly through the website. This process will guide you to the TikTok Ads platform, which is where you can create your first TikTok for Business account. From here, you will need to either sign in or sign up. If you already have a TikTok account, you can simply choose the option to log in using your existing details. If not, you can create a new account by entering your email address, setting a password, and verifying your email to continue. Once your TikTok account is ready, the next step is to open a business page directly inside the TikTok app. Start by opening TikTok and logging into your account. Tap on your profile icon and open the menu by tapping the three lines in the top corner. From there, go into Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account. Inside this section, select the option that says Switch to Business Account. TikTok will ask you to choose a category that best describes your business, such as education, marketing, e-commerce, or services. Choosing the right category helps TikTok understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. After confirming your selection, your account will instantly be converted into a business account. You will now have access to business tools, analytics, profile insights, and commercial music options. At this point, you can also edit your profile by adding a business logo, writing a clear bio, and adding a website link so people can learn more about your brand. After setting up your business page, you will be asked to use this TikTok account to access TikTok for Business. You should review and accept the terms of service to move forward. In some cases, TikTok may ask you to link your existing account to the business platform and verify your identity using a code sent to your email. If you do not already have a TikTok for Business account, you can create a new one by agreeing to the TikTok commercial terms and confirming your selection. Subscribing to email updates is optional and can be skipped if you prefer. TikTok may also ask you to add an email address to make your account more secure. This step is optional but recommended. Once completed, you will gain access to the TikTok for Business dashboard. Here, you will need to provide some basic business information such as your business name, website URL, industry or interests, country, currency, time zone, and mobile phone number. After filling in these details, you can continue to the next step, where you will review and accept the anti-discrimination advertising policy to confirm that you will not use ads for any prohibited practices. Once everything is completed, you will have full access to your TikTok business account. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the Business Center, where you can explore analytics, advertising tools, and content creation features. Inside the dashboard, you can view audience demographics, engagement metrics, performance analytics, and trending insights to help refine your marketing strategy and increase your reach. When it comes to content strategy, TikTok offers many resources to help you create content that connects with your target audience. You can focus on creating authentic and engaging videos that showcase your products, share behind-the-scenes moments, and highlight your brand personality. By visiting the TikTok business tools and trending sections, you can explore popular hashtags, songs, creators, and current trends based on your selected country. You can also use built-in AI tools to help generate TikTok ad scripts and content ideas. These tools make it easier to find inspiration, discover trending audio, and understand what type of content performs well on the platform. Overall, TikTok for Business is very easy to use and offers a wide range of features to help you grow. You can also explore additional educational resources, strategy guides, and expert tutorials directly within the platform. If you want to start your own business, using a TikTok business account is a smart way to organically drive sales for your business.